Namaskar children. I know you are enjoying watching our maths videos and solving maths worksheets. So, come on, let's have more fun with maths today. Children, you already know the relation between the given number, the number that comes before, and the number that comes after. Let's take an example. 125. The number that comes before 125 is 124. 124 is less by 1 than 125. The number which comes after the given number is always greater by 1 than the given number. Therefore, 126 is greater by 1 than 125. We have already learnt about the place values and expanded form of numbers. Let's revise comparison of numbers. You can see a pup and a dog in the given picture. A pup is smaller in size and a dog is bigger in size. Now, let's count the blue stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, let's count the yellow stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, we have 6 blue stars and 8 yellow stars. 8 is bigger than 6 because we have to add 2 to 6 to get 8. Compare the numbers using signs or symbol. Those signs are greater than, smaller than and equal to. Now let's revise how to compare numbers. Now let's take an example of two-digit numbers first. 10 and 22. In two-digit numbers, we have to compare the digits in tens house. Remember children, the number that has bigger digit in tens place or tens house is the bigger number. Here, 1 is the tens place digit. In 22, 2 is the tens place digit. 2 is bigger than 1, or we can say 1 is smaller or less than 2. Therefore, 10 is smaller than 22. Let's consider one more example, 45 and 42. If the tens house has the same digit, then the number that has bigger digit in units place is the bigger number. In 45, 5 is the units place digit. In 42, 2 is the units place digit. 5 is bigger than 2. Therefore, 45 is greater than 42. Now, let's compare three-digit numbers. In three-digit numbers, first we have to compare the digit in hundreds house. If hundreds place digits are same, then we have to see the digits in tens place. And if the digits in tens place are same, then we have to see the digits in units place. Let's take an example. 608 322. Let's compare the digit in hundreds place. In the number 608, 6 is the hundreds place digit, and in 322, 3 is the hundreds place digit. 6 is greater than 3. Therefore, 608 is greater than 322. 189, 264. In 189, the hundreds place digit is 1. In 264, the hundreds place digit is 2. 2 is greater than 1, or we can say 1 is less than 2. Therefore, 189 is less than 264. Here are the same numbers, 502, 502. Therefore, we will use the symbol equal to compare these numbers. Now let's revise ascending and descending order of numbers. You have already learnt in standard 1 and 2 that descending order means arranging numbers from bigger to smaller, and ascending order means arranging numbers from smaller to bigger. Now let's take an example. 135, 103, 215 and 100. Now let's arrange these numbers in ascending order, that is from smaller to bigger. In an ascending order, the smallest number will come first. So in these given numbers, 100 is the smaller number. So that number will be the first number in ascending order. Now let's compare the other numbers. 135, 103, 215. 215 has 2 in hundreds place. So it is bigger than 135 and 103. Now we have to compare 135 and 103 to find out the smallest number. 103 is smaller than 135. So next number in ascending order will be 103. Now let's see the remaining numbers, 135 and 215. In 135, hundreds place digit is 1. In 215, hundreds place digit is 2. Therefore, 135 is smaller than 215. So, next number to come in ascending order is 135. And the biggest number, that is 215, will come in the last. Now, let's arrange the numbers on these flower pots in a descending order. The numbers given are 415, 265 and 555. All these numbers are 3-digit numbers. So let's compare the digit in hundreds place. 4, 2 and 5. We have to arrange numbers in descending order, means the biggest number will come first. So the first number will be 555 as the hundreds place digit is bigger. Now compare 415 and 265. 4 is bigger than 2. So 415 is bigger than 265. Therefore, next number in our descending order is 415. And the last will be the remaining number 265. Let's revise. Compare the given numbers put the correct sign. Less than, greater than or equal to. The first example is 89 and 198. 89 is a two-digit number. 198 is a three-digit number. Two-digit number is always smaller than a three-digit number. Therefore, 89 is less than 198. Next example, 424, 424. These are the same numbers, so we will use equal to sign. Next number, 680, 510. Let's compare the digit in hundreds place, 6 and 5. 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, 680 is greater than 510. 822, 852. In both the numbers, the hundreds place digit is same, that is 8. Therefore, let's compare the digit in tens place. Here the tens place digit is 2. Here the tens place digit is 5. 5 is greater than 2. So 852 is greater, or we can say 822 is smaller than 852. Let's arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. The given numbers are 24, 120, 12 and 225. Let's arrange them first in ascending order, that is from smaller to bigger. So first find out which is the smallest number. In the given number, two numbers are two-digit numbers and two numbers are three-digit numbers. So to find out the smallest number, let's compare the two-digit numbers first. 12 is smaller than 24 because in 12 a tens place digit is 1 and in 24 a tens place digit is 2. 1 is smaller than 2. Therefore, 12 is smaller than 24. So, 12 will be the first number in ascending order as it is the smallest number in the given list. Then we will write the next number 24. Now compare the numbers 120 and 225. In the number 120, 1 is the hundreds place digit and in 225, 2 is the hundreds place digit. 1 is smaller than 2. Therefore, 120 is smaller than 225. So, we are going to write 120 before 225. So, the ascending order will be 12, 24, 120 and 225. Descending order will be exactly opposite of ascending order. So first we are going to write 225, then 120, then 24 and 12. Hope you understood. Thank you children.